Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So today we're going to be diving into my Beachly winter box. Now I'm always excited for the winter box from Beachly because I feel like the clothing options are the best in the winter season, probably fall and winter both, compared to their spring and summer boxes. Like, I just always feel like these are the best boxes to get. You are able to customize this box in a couple of the categories, and I loved all of the customization options, you guys. Like, this box is very promising this season. So we're gonna go ahead and do a full unboxing today. I'm gonna show you guys some of the customization choices you have as well, but let's go ahead and get started and check out this box. If you guys have not seen the Beachly box, this is a quarterly lifestyle box. We are unboxing the women's version, and they do have a men's box available. I have only ever purchased the women's box before, so I've never looked into the men's one. I just don't think it's something my husband would be interested in, but I love this subscription. So it's all beach inspired. They're not items that you're gonna take with you to the beach. You could, but it's not like that's a requirement. But I always just feel like it's a good quality box. There's always something in here that I keep and I really love. And like I said, the clothing items are really good. So if you're interested in purchasing this box, they are shipping out the winter box right now. I do have a link down below along with some discount codes for you guys. I also have a code down there that will get you a free bonus box with some goodies inside of it. You can't stack more than one coupon on an order, so you do have to choose between the two. But I've got all that posted down below if you guys are interested. So if you guys do sign up as a new member this winter season, you are able to customize your entire box. Now what they're going to do is they're going to give you all of the options that are available right now, even for existing members. New members will be able to choose their items out of that. But also as a new member, they're going to give you some past favorite options. So items that they had left over from previous boxes could be in your customization window as well. Now they're not offering that to existing members only because we've already had those items in past boxes. So existing members are not going to get repeat products or anything like that. But as a new member, you will have more options to choose and customize your box with just because they are bringing back some of those past favorites. So in customization 1, we had the choice of going with a sun plush throw. So this was going to be a fuzzy blanket. They had it in 2 different colors and it was $79 for the blanket. Or you could go with a hoodie, and this hoodie also retailed for $75. Now I went with the hoodie because, like I said, I love the clothing items from Beachly. They're always great quality. I've worn them now for a couple of years and they survive washing. They look good. So for me, it was a no-brainer. So this is the hoodie for the winter 2023 box. You are able to customize your sizes on these as well. And I do feel like they're very true to size. They're not too small. They're not too big. So just go with your normal usual size when ordering. So this is what it looks like here on the front, and you're gonna have this cute little sunrise over the beach waves. It's very, very soft, and then it is a hoodie down here on the front with your pocket. You've got your strings up here at the top. On the back, underneath your hood, you're going to have a very large sunset over the waves look here as well. So it's a really pretty like aqua blue color. It's kind of like a light blue. These are going to be your sleeves down here, so they're going to cinch in a little bit around the wrist. It's very, very soft. Like, truthfully, this feels like a soft blanket in itself, so I don't even feel like I missed out with the other item. This is coming from a company called Rhythm. It is brand new with tags, and this is called the Dawn Hoodie. Now for customization 2, you had the option of selecting the throw in this category as well. The only reason why they did that is they felt like it was going to be a very popular item, and that if you didn't want to choose between the hoodie and the throw, you could do that for your second option. I kind of liked that they made that available to us, that you could still get it. but I went rogue. I went the other way. So the other option that we could go with is the Sunrise Seashell Robe. This is a $99 comfy robe, and it is definitely beach themed. So you are able to customize your size again. This is from the Salt Sisters company. It is new with tags here again. So here is my Sunrise Seashell Robe. It is super plush and soft, you guys. So this is a full bathrobe, and you get this gorgeous coral color. And then on the back here, you're gonna see that seashell on there for a design. The front of it here is gonna have a really nice collar that goes all the way around. It does come with the tie as well. It's all long sleeve. I even love the little cuffs on here. I think this color is super cute, but honestly, it is so soft. This to me, again, it's as soft as a throw. It's like it's all wrapped up into one, so you're not really missing out. I do think for length, it probably is going to be knee length on me, so it will come to my knees or a little bit longer than that. So it's not going to go to the floor, but honestly, I think this is a really great length for a robe for me. Next item that I have in my box is a candle, which again, very excited about. I love candles, but I feel like in wintertime, I use them more than ever. So I love that it's in the winter box here. This is from the Salt and Umber company, and it is a sandalwood musk soy wax candle. It's 100% natural. Now this brand is often in the Beachly box. I like their products. Like everything I've tried so far, I've enjoyed. So I don't mind seeing it, but it is a very common brand. But this is what your jar will look like, and then it is a single wick, and it says it was sandalwood and musk. Oh yeah. So it's exactly what they say it is. If you like sandalwood, you're gonna like this candle a lot. The musk is definitely the second note. It's just a little bit of muskiness behind it. I predominantly am getting a sandalwood scent out of this. This candle, if you were gonna go on the website and purchase it, it retails for $25 on the Salt and Umber website. The next item that I have will be inside of everyone's box this winter season. This is a set of nail files or emery boards, but they're all beach inspired and kind of remind you of the beach. So this is from a small business, and this retails for $10 for this set of 3 nail files. And it states that they use the environment to inspire their designs. And if you wanted to learn more about their company or check them out, they do have a QR code here on the back. That way you can visit and see some of the other nail products that they make. Oh yes! So you guys, we get a plant this winter season. Now this is a customization option. So if you don't like plants, or maybe you don't want this, you might not be as excited as I am, but I love plants. But they partnered up with Modern Sprout, which is a really awesome plant company that really puts a sleek design on everything. It's very modern and sophisticated. They're a little bit expensive. If you can get a sale or they're clearance, then it's worth it, but they are a little pricey. But Modern Sprout put together a coastal palm set. So it comes with the pot and the seeds, and that way you can actually grow your own palm tree in your own house. Okay, it may not be a tree, but you know what I mean? Like, you're gonna have your own palm. So this is what it looks like here, and you're gonna definitely get the vibe of it being a very modern, clean lines, very simple. That's definitely their aesthetic. So this is going to come with the seeds and also the soil inside. What's kind of nice about this company is they think of everything. So even with this one, they've lined the pot so that way it's not going to have any leakage or drainage on you, but it's also going to keep the moisture in there for the plant. That way it's not going to all get absorbed by this clay pot, which the clay can absorb it and dry it out a little bit faster. So I love that they did that for us. But then they're gonna give you the little baggie here, and this will have your soil and your seeds will be inside of that. These will actually expand with water, so you'll just put that in there and then it's gonna grow your palm. I mean, how perfect is that for a Beachly box? Like, they nailed that. Last item inside of our box today from Beachly is a pineapple keychain. So this is from the Island House Co. company, and this is their pineapple keychain. This one, again, it's not my most exciting item in the box. It's not my most favorite. I definitely think your hero items are the clothing items. Super excited about getting the plant as well. But you do get a cute little festive keychain. So that is everything inside of my Beachly box for winter. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And like I said, you are able to customize your box as a new member even. So if you don't love all of my choices, you can definitely customize it with other choices that they have available. As far as the clothing items go though, like every time I always go for those because I just know they're great quality. They last through washes. They look good. They don't shrink. They're not full of spandex. You know what I mean? Like they're just done very well. So I definitely want to give a recommendation in terms of the clothes that if you guys are having questions, I do recommend those ones a lot. But don't forget, I also have a link down below you guys with discount codes so you can save a little bit of money. You can get a free bonus box. You got lots of options. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!